And Zach just got in here, so Zach is going to write down on a piece of paper 79 divided by 3, and so is Raymond. Raymond is going to write down on his piece of paper 79 divided by 3. And so we're going to work the problem. We start off first, we have to put our what, everybody? Tic-tac-toes. Okay, you don't need to give it to me like that. So I'm going to write my tic-tac-toes right over here to the side. And I'm going to count by threes. 70, your new job is every time that pops up, you're going to come over here and click on this X.
Okay.
Okay? All right. The rest of you. So we're going to count by threes. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18. Hurry, Zach. 21, 24, 27. Now, I start off with 79. Do I have anything close to 79?
No.
No. So that means I have to break it down, right? So I'm going to start with the 7 divided by 3. What do I see over here in my tic-tac-toe that is close to 7 without going past, Anthony? Over here, what do I see close to 7 without going past?
6.
The 6 is. So I'm going to circle that 6. What box is that 6 in? Anthony? The 2 box. Where is my 2 going to go? Desiree? Above the 7. See, when I go from the box to the problem, I'm always going to go above. So if you think box, above, and that will help you. Jasmine, stop it. Following along, please. Now what do I do, everybody? Multiply. Which 2 digits do I multiply, Hillary?
2 times 3.
2 times 3 equals 6. Then what do I do, everybody? Subtract. 7 minus 6 is 1. Kivion, put that away and get out your problem. Put it away. Now, what do I do? Brenda? Bring down my 9. That's my next step. Bring down my 9. Now, if I bring down, then that means I have to do what, Jasmine? If I bring down, what do I have to do? I have to repeat. So that means I go back up to my divide. And what 2 numbers am I going to divide, Vanessa? Stop. Okay. Sully, what am I going to divide? Yeah, I'm going to take my 19 here, and I'm going to divide it by my 3. What's close to 19 without going over, Christopher?
18.
18 is close without going over. And what box is the 18 in? Jonathan? 6 box. And anytime I go from the tic-tac-toe to the problem, I go above. So I'm going to put my 6 right here. Then, Alondra, what am I going to do? No, I can't subtract yet. What am I going to do, Mel? I'm going to multiply which 2 numbers, Mel?
6 times 3.
6 times 3 equals
18.
18. And then I'm going to what, Alondra? Subtract. 19 minus 18 equals 1. Do I have anything else to bring down? No, so that means 1 is my remainder. And then I'm going to check it. I'm going to say 26 times 3. 3 times 6 is 18. Whoever's doing that, please stop. Quan. Carry my 1. 3 times 2 plus 1 is 7. And then I have to add my remainder, which makes it 79. Raise your hand if you have that. Excellent. Okay, we're going to try another one. skip 2 lines, and your next problem is going to be 93 divided by 4. Now, I want you to do me a favor on this one because I think some people are getting lost in the steps. And right over here in the margin, no, over here on this margin. Can you see it? I want you to write the steps. But we're going to write them in shorthand. We're going to say divide, multiply, subtract, bring down, repeat remainder. Okay, that way if you get lost on what step you're on, you can look at that. Alright, so Raymond, you're going to solve this one by yourself. Everybody else, you're going to go and in your tables, I want you to solve this one. If you run into trouble, what should you do?
Ask for help.
Raise your hand and I will help you. Raymond, if you run into trouble, you can back up the video and watch the previous one that we just did. And you'll come back and check your work in just a minute. Okay, go ahead and get going. So we're going to go and work through, I'm going to work through this one for you. And you're just going to check your steps, Anthony, as I work it. Okay? You're going to check and see, did you do what you were supposed to do?
Anthony.
Yes, because Anthony was over there making noise. Alright, so I'm going to do my tic-tac-toes. I'm count by 4s. 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36. Okay? And I look and I say 93 divided by 4. I don't have anything close to 93. So I'm going to break it down and I'm going to go with my 9. And I look and see, do I have anything close to 9? Well, that would be my 8. Remember, you're just following along to see if you did it right. Really? Following along to see if you did it right. And just checking your steps and see if your thinking was like mine. So I had the 8. It's in the 2 box. So because it's a tic-tac-toe, I go above and I put my 2. My next step is to multiply. So I'm going to say 2 times 4 equals 8. And then my next step is to subtract. 9 minus 8 is 1. Then my next step is to bring down. So I'm going to bring down my 3. And because I brought down, I can't remainder. I have to repeat. So I'm going to go back up to my division and I'm going to say 13 divided by 4. When I look, 12 is close to 13. That's in the 3 box. And 3, I'm going to put that answer above, tic-tac-toe above. So my next step is to multiply. 3 times 4 is 12. And then the next step is to subtract. 13 minus 12 is 1. Do I have anything to bring down? Well, no, I don't. So that means that must be my remainder. So my answer would be 23, remainder 1. But I'm going to check to make sure I did it right. I'm going to take my quotient of 23 and I'm going to multiply it by my divisor of 4. 3 times 4 is 12. Carry my 1. 4 times 2 is 8 plus 1 is 9. And then I add my remainder. 92 plus 1 is 93. That matches, so I did it right. Raise your hand if you did that one right. Excellent.